Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Dewalt DWFP12232. It comes with a magnesium alloy body and compact design, and it measures 9.76 in height, 2.68 in width, and 10.04 in length. It includes a tool-free depth adaptation that comes with detents to aid you in reloading the staples correctly. It requires 18 GA staples with 1/4 crown and a length ranging from 1/2 up to 1/12. Additionally, it offers a long-life upkeep-free motor. Maestri ME 3G. It provides reliable and constant power, thanks to its long 12-foot power cord, and it is versatile, as you can use it even with hardwood upholstery. It is sturdy and durable, as it has a body made from reinforced fiberglass, thus you don't have to worry about rust or corrosion. It features an interlocking trigger with a safety switch to prevent any misfire, and you'll have to use. Makita XTS01Z. It is compact, measuring 9 7/8 inches in length, 3/5 inches in width and 8/3 inches in height, and it weighs 5.3 pounds. It has a rounded, ergonomic-shaped rubber handle, which ensures a slip-free, tight grip, while the trigger provides increased control and precision. It is cordless, so you don't need to worry about an outlet. Hitachi N5010A. It features a steel-plated exterior, which provides it not only with a modern look, but it makes it sturdy and durable. It weighs only 4.4 pounds, thus it is lightweight and easy to use, and it comes with a comfortable, rubber handle which offers you a tight and secure grip. It measures 14 3/8 inches in length, 3 inches in width, and 10 5/32 inches in height, thus it is compact. Duofast ENC5418A electric stapler. Nose extension makes stapling placement easy. Low tool height provides easy access when laying carpet on stairs. Compact and lightweight at only 4 pounds, 2 ounces. The Duofast ENC5418A electric stapler is used for carpet installation, upholstery, and picture frame assembly. The tool is ergonomically designed for easy one-hand operation. It features a bottom loading